Want to design a bold poster like this one? Let's get started. Create your canvas and type your text. Add your background image. Change your text color to white. Add your second image. Select the object and mask it. Break your text into 2 rows for better impact. Let's look for a horror-style font. Creepster works great. Customize it with a stroke and a drop shadow. Center the text on your artboard. Apply levels and hit auto to boost contrast. For a different vibe, try adding a photo filter, and there you have it, your bold horror poster. Like and subscribe for more design tips.